Hello friends, welcome back to my new video in LeetCode playlist. Today we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 1929, which is a concatenation of an array. In this problem we have given an array like this. This is given a 1, 2 and 1, and we have to find the output like this 1 to 1, comma 1 to 1. So basically this process is called concatenation of an array, which is an elements repeat twicely. Okay, so first of all we'll create a vector in integer form named answer equals to num. This will give us a 1 to 1 array. Okay, and after that we'll run the for loop from integer I equals to 0 to I less than num dot size I plus plus. After that we have to concatenate the array. So answer dot push back. This process will give us the last element of an array. Means pushback method adds the last element in array. So ans.pushback nums.I. At the end, outside the for loop, we return the ans. Let's run this code. So you can see here both the cases are accepted. That's it. Thank you.